Another highlight of Pear Deck is Flashcard Factory, which is a favorite for students in my classroom. And while I teach middle school, it's absolutely great for elementary school, and a lot of the students really enjoy playing it and building their own lists and practicing. So when you click on Flashcard Factory, it's really straightforward. You can type in whatever you were learning at the time. So this week we're talking about branches of government. So like if I type in filibuster, and I don't want to sit there and like search all the terms, and I can't have my flashcard list in front of me if I want to, or I just click definitions, or my students do it, and they find the definition that's appropriate for what we're learning in class. They know that we're talking about like delaying tactics, those types of things. And then that's our vocab word. And then we add a next one. So let's say we're talking about appeal. So just type that in. And then again, look up definition. Legal proceeding. Yep. So all you do for Flashcard Factory, which is great, you can put your title in as you want to. So we can say like unit. For me, it's unit 3. Type in the vocabulary, add all the terms that I want to add. I can sort, I can share, I can import, I can export my list, which is awesome too. You can pull lists that have already been created, so you don't have to start from scratch if you don't want to. And then play Flashcard Factory. You'll see that Perry is dressed up adorably here in his little hard hat and with his glasses and mustache. And then as a teacher, once you have this built in, it's going to make sure that everything's visible in your classroom so students can see like vocab. You can see it on your projector. Students, just like Pear Deck, join pd.com, except for this time it'll be specific to vocabulary. And then go ahead and clock in. And from there, it'll put your students into groups. So like day shift groups, night shift groups. It'll put the students into their like teams that they're going to play against. And then let's play. And you have your characters, and it looks like right here it says that I don't have any I didn't approve my cards yet. I don't have things quite ready to go play. But this loads your students in, and then Flashcard Factory makes teams for you. And you're able to then play the game, and it's your flashcards and your vocabulary that you're using for your unit, and it's all set and ready to go. What's awesome is you can export it to Gimkit Live. If you have a Gimkit account, that's available to you. You can choose to print your set if you want to, and so if I go through, I can print my set, and then students have their cards with their definitions, and they can write in an example. So once you've got Flashcard Factory loaded in and created and ready to go, it gives you all kinds of options of using these words with your students. So it's not just one quick online flashcard thing. There's an activity, you can export it, you can share it, you can print it, you can do so many things. So Flashcard Factory is a fantastic tool that's been created by Pear Deck that gives teachers all kinds of options to put their vocabulary right into and make them interactive with students. So if you're looking for a way to build more vocabulary into your classroom, try out Flashcard Factory, and it's really easy, and you find it right on the Pear Deck homepage. So when you're there in your Pear Deck homepage, it's right here in the green spot where it says Pear Deck Vocabulary, and that will take you to Flashcard Factory. And it's just a fun, easy way to make your flashcards interactive with your students. So check that one out.